So there are many scientists who will think that when you take out all the jargon, as you say, and look at the big picture, that somehow you're dumbing it down. You're losing the content. Yeah. What would you say to that?
Well, you're not losing the content. The content's always going to be in the publication, right? So if people want to know more of the detail, they go to the publication, or they go to the preprint, or they go to something which is more hyper specialist, right? But there's a big difference between engaging someone beyond your field and the current publishing model of socialization. There's this void of the medium void. So video is essentially the medium between which you can translate this work that you've done to a wider audience, because you can't do it. You can't do it through the current mediums. It's impossible. So I think video translates that, and it doesn't. It's not dumbing it down. It's just, I see it as it's giving you perspective. It's giving, as a researcher, you're giving all. What is the 3-minute snapshot of why I did this? That's really important.
Is it that you're actually focusing on the concept and not necessarily on the detail of what it is, but you're actually trying to get them to understand the concept that you are working on, that no one else can really understand in the same way?
Correct. So, and that's exactly right, David, is that the concept is hugely important in science, not necessarily the details and the mechanics of getting to the end. The output. It's the general overview of why you did this, and what's the potential outcome for this particular concept. So I guess that's hugely important.